Alright, you lot, I'm Heki, and in this video I will cover topics about bash scripting, but I will separate two videos, and in this video I will cover only bash scripting for beginners. So in the next video or in the next topics or in the next video I will cover bash scripting advanced. So what are we gonna cover here in bash scripting for beginners? I will cover an introduction to bash scripting, what is bash, what is shell, and what is bash scripting, and how to create a bash file, how to run it, how to execute bash file, how to print out a line in bash file, and that is for the introduction. And the second topics in bash scripting for beginner is variables and user input, and then third topic is control structure something. And that's all for basic scripting for beginners. So let's kick out and let's get started. We have to open the terminal first. If you're using Windows, you can use command prompt, and you can use any code editor you want. Here I'm using Windows Subsystem for Linux, and I'm using nvim for my code editor. So let's getting started, but first I want to explain you what is bash scripting. Bash scripting is scripting with bash. Scripting means automation, so you automate a repetitive task, and we scripting here using bash programming language, and bash is a type of shell. And what is shell? Shell is just a way you interact, not a way, but a place where you can interact with the system with a command line interface. So that is inference of what is bash scripting. And I will show you how to create a bash file. We have to put the .sh extension, so that means it's a bash file. We can use nvim here, nvim test.sh. So if you put .sh as your extension, it will detect it as bash script or bash file. And the most basic thing you have to learn is shebang line. Shebang line, you can write a shebang line like this. So it's a must in every bash file. Wait, I forgot a little bit, but I really forgot how to create a shebang line. But I'm really forgot, bro. I'm really forgot, but you can search what is shebang line. I'm really forgot that, but shebang line is like this, guys. Here that in bash. So, but it's not like this. So shebang line, basically just tell your computer this is a bash file. You have to interpret this with bash interpreter. So this is to tell, so this shebang line is to tell the system this is bash file. So after we put a bash file extension or .sh, sh stands for shell, guys, and we tell the system you have to use bash interpreter. Because we gonna learn Bash, we have to use Bash interpreter. So Sebang line is a must in Bash scripting tutorial. Every time you have to write a Sebang line. And if you want to print out a line in Bash scripting, you can use syntax echo and then message you want. Echo an example hello world. So it's same as print, but it's simpler. And we can save here, and we quit the code editor. And what if we want to run this file? You must think that we can just run this like test.sh. No, we can run just like that. In Bash, we can run a Bash file with dot and then backslash and then file name test.sh. But again, Bash tells us that the permission denied. Why is this can be happen? If you take a look at the permission of the file, it just tells that this file is only can be read or write. Read or write. So it doesn't tells us, or there is no X in the test.sh file. So that means it can't be executed. So what we gonna do after this is to change the permission of the file. We can use chmod plus X and then the name of the file. And after this you can run the Bash file. Voila. So chmod is the syntax. I call it syntax for adding a permission. Like in the example here, I add plus X. I add X or stands for execute to my test.sh file, so the file can be executed, and we can execute the Bash file with dot and then backslash and then the file name. So the inference is we can create a Bash file with .sh extension. We have to use Sebang line in every shell file, and then we have to change the permission of the file. If you want to print out a line, we can use echo syntax. And then if you want to run a Bash file, you have to type dot and then backslash and test.sh or the file name. So that's all, and that's the inference of part 1 Bash scripting for beginners. So it's kind of easy, right? Bash scripting is very simple, and it's really useful when we want to automate a repetitive task. So I think that's all for this part 1. In the next video, I think I will cover variables and then user input. So that's all, guys. Let's skip to the next video.